Hi, Lynn with Travel Leaders. I'm here today in Heidelberg, Germany. This is an absolutely gorgeous city. You can see it here behind me. Lots of tile roofs, beautiful churches. There is a river here. It's the River Neckar. We did not sail straight into Heidelberg. We actually sailed into Ludwigshafen, which right way back here you can see some smokestacks. That is actually the city that we sailed into, and then we took a bus here into Heidelberg today. We're starting out here at Heidelberg Castle. You can kind of just see some of the ruins of it. It was first initially being built in 1615, and then of course took many, many years to complete. One of the things that Heidelberg is known for is their university. One of the oldest universities in Germany, started here in the 13th century, and I'm told that it is the equivalent of Harvard University in the United States. So one of the studies they're known best for is medicine, so one of the best medical universities in Germany. And one last look, you can hear some of the church bells. That's one of my favorite things about being in Europe. Enjoy!